I am still on injured reserve, little back surgery, getting over it. Things is coming along well. So I think I'm gonna try to get a little bit done in here today because I am tired of watching cowboy movies and I can't believe I just said that. So the first thing is I had ordered a mobile base for this bandsaw and I didn't do my homework. I didn't read close enough. So this thing opens to 22.5 square. That's the largest. And this bandsaw has a base that's need to clear about 25 inches. So that ain't gonna work. So I ordered another one for that, read the fine print. And then I think what I'm gonna do, rather than send that back, is prepare a mobile base for this drill press. I was just gonna leave it stationary, but I know after a while I'll be cussing saying, why didn't I put some wheels on that? And I have my old Rockwell wood shaper here. I gotta get cleaned up and back in order. So I went to the big box store and I purchased 2 pieces of sanded pine plywood, and it is amazing. So you see it's nice and flush, and then look. Can you believe that is that out of square? So any homeowners buying these pieces of wood think they're nice and square, don't believe it. So anyway, I guess what I'm gonna do is I'll get pull these clamps off. We'll set up and square up this piece of plywood, and I think I'm gonna bring it down to about 22 by 22, and we'll set that mobile base up to fit that piece of plywood, and then we're gonna bore some holes in it around the edges and put some urethane on it. So let's see how that goes. I'll tell you, these Jorgensen clamps with the rubber handle on, they put these little Bessies to shame. They're pretty much identical except for that handle. And I'm telling you, that rubber handle makes all the difference in the world. Nice little route. I can't believe I ain't used that in so long. So there's our drill press stand. These are 2 inches off the corners. These were bolted to the Bear Claw mobile base, and then this one will bolt. Drill press. Let me find a sander. I'll clean this up with some urethane on it. What I've done, I'm marking these arms. So when they go back in this sleeve for these corners, that it's holding the same amount. I don't have to guess, just put a little pencil mark there and then make sure that when I spread the distance I need, that this is equal. They will call it Mr. Cool, Mr. Warm. How easy this table saw was to operate the base on?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I finally got that worked out.
Push it back and make it back here.
And as far as lifting it, yeah. What to get your hair done tomorrow?
Today. 2:30. 4:30.
So about high in there. All right, this is ready. All we gotta do is clean it up. Gotta put another coat of everything on the base. Took me forever to find it. I hid it from myself as usual. And then we're ready to get some strong arms set up in this place. What do you think? That is it. Well, there you go. We'll mount the drill press there, and it will be like everything else in here, on wheels. So I'm gonna have to get some help for that. All right, with a little bit of help, we got the drill press lifted up and put in place, and bolts up through the bottom. The two pieces of plywood glued together and cleaned up, and it looks sharp. And you're not gonna, it's such a big footprint, you're not gonna knock this thing over. And rolls like a dream. So you get an idea what it looks like. I'm telling you, that's the way to go. If you can get everything on wheels, do it. Well, I guess that's the end of this little video. So I appreciate everybody who watched it, and we will see you on the next one. Adios, amigos.